Alright guys, I'm gonna refresh this and see how warm it is, how cold or which is tit it is out. Alright, it's supposed to be 7 degrees and it feels like 7 now. That's off of weather.com. Right, where is it? Right there, weather.com. So, and see how cold it is. See how the truck's running. Cold started at 25 minutes ago, so let's see how she's running. Here we go. Gotta go pick my old man up. Got my money, got my cell phone, got my wallet. Oh, okay, good. Got my little tag. Here we go. Big bicycle. Oh shit, I'm forgetting my halts, guys. Do my halts. Do not forget your halts. Into the bedroom we go. Balls. Oh, guys, that's one. Let's just roll through the house. Awesome house. See? No deer heads, which but we got these gold goose geese duck things. Awesome house. And horses. Sun mirror. And a thingy-majiggy, a lighthouse, some more birds, and I love that quote. You can if you think you can. Oh, we're heading outside. Got the cold room. Cold thing here. Pick one up. Right there, that's how fucking cold it is outside. There's frost on the freaking handle piece, or on the nut. Look at the hinges and there's fucking frost on them. Look at that shit. I don't know if it's cool out. Surprised the windows ain't frosted up. Alright, let's go. And I'll go for a little ride in the truck. You know, it's my dad's, his brother's car, some Mazda Protege, some tap crap, and she's still smoking away. It's a cool fucking truck. That's what those words say. Fucking cold out. A little cold and all, but it's a little bit too cold for me now. Gotta be in freaking negatives. I mean, you know, it says something turns out. Bunch of shit.
When I look into your soft green eyes, when I see your delicate
That's
eyes,
Mountain Jackson up.
reveal to me as you slip off your dress.
There we go. 2-wheel drive. So fucking cold the truck froze to where it was.
You remain strong and true. Long and fresh. I'll go on loving you.
I don't know, guys.
I'll go on loving
Fucking cold outside. It's nothing but. You guys ain't gonna be able to see it. Tried. Sorry guys, it's just fucking smoke bad from the cold. Fucking cold outside, man. It really is. Oh, here's a fucked up transmission. And we finally go. Hands are fucking cold. So yeah, well, let me get back to driving, guys, and whatnot. I'll have another video for you guys. Bye.